Hello everyone and welcome back to the Sydney Build Expo 2026. We're going to do another outside broadcast today. My name is Nathan and I am joined by Roger Pettiford. Hello Roger.
How are we?
Very well. So Roger, we originally met through Felicity, your daughter, who's one of our leading members, been a fantastic contributor to Carpentry Australia. So we're going to hit a few different angles today. The first thing is, can you tell the audience a bit about the work you do and the company you currently work for?
Yeah, sure. So I've been in the door industry for the last 28 years. I work for a company called the Australian Tradies Company. We do retail, shop front doors, roller shutters, anywhere where anyone wants a security door product, we'll put it on. Households, everything, you name it.
Excellent, excellent. And I know we have a similar background. So when I first came into the workforce, my old man ran Quinn Industries, which was bedroom furniture. And one of my jobs was loading and unloading the spray booth. And they were doing the stain, and then I'd have to cut it back and they'd put it in for the polish. But you came from a similar background.
Yeah, I sure did. I'd done an apprenticeship in French polishing. I worked for a little business for 2 years and got made redundant, and then finished off my time with Parker Furniture. So yeah, it was a good hands-on experience.
Excellent, excellent. So in the industry you're in, Roger, and the network you work with, what do you find are some of the current challenges the industry is facing? What are some of the things you see from the work you do?
It's cost driven. It's very competitive, overseas market as well. But yeah, all the builders and the shop fitters that we deal with are always coming back to us, mainly driven through cost. We have a number of product, we have a fantastic service, but it's really driven on cost these days, just with the global market.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Now, shifting across in terms of Felicity working with Carpentry Australia, one thing you and I have spoken about on a number of occasions when we connect is having the females come through being guided the right way.
Yep.
And it's unfortunate, we're going to talk about this on a panel a little bit later, around how we've seen some females come through and they maybe angle themselves the wrong way to get more attention.
Yep.
What are your thoughts on that, Roger?
Look, it's I've seen some of the stuff that the girls are doing out there. I'm not a big seller of it at all. Felicity does a remarkable job for what she does, and it's only work orientated. And she has a great network of support with people, including Carpentry Australia, and her family's right behind her as well.
Absolutely. So both your kids, what's your young fella's name?
Riley.
Riley. They both got into the trades. Why do you think they both got into trades?
I think that was more driven by me. Felicity, when she was a young girl, just absolutely loved swinging a hammer at the work, not at people. And I think it was just more driven with Riley as well. Like, big sister's done a trade. He wanted to do a trade, and he jumped into electrical, and he's got the brains for it, and he's been going great guns.
Yeah. Fantastic. So both Riley and Fee have worked on a couple of our Help at the End Day projects.
Yeah.
And I find their value set to be quite strong. So what are your thoughts on our responsibility as the older generation, helping to guide the young ones coming through?
Look, I was driven in a hard family, so you only get out what you put in, and it's basically head down, bums up, get into the job. I've told my kids, just focus on one thing, and that's what's in front of you. And if you give it 100%, you'll get that. Just drive for it, thrive for it, and hope for it, and you'll get it.
Yeah. Fantastic. So you're here, you're exhibiting at the Sydney Build at the moment, Roger.
Yep.
So if people want to come over and learn a bit more, what can they expect when they come up to your stand?
Yeah, we can offer them brochures. We can go through all the different door products that we have on display. It's only a small little area that we've got down there at the moment. We have a larger area in our office. We have a showroom there. We're over at U stand 34 or 38, I think it is.
U34.
Yep. Or U38. It's one of those two. And Australian trellis doors, and yeah, we can guide you through all kinds of security door products, regardless if it's retail or household.
Beautiful. And you'll be at the networking event this evening at the Piedmont.
Yes, I will be.
So if anyone wants to come and meet you and chat,
Happy to do so.
you'll be there. Thanks very much, Roger.
Thanks, mate.